The 12 best mid-size SUVs for 2025. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 Hybrid is one of the best mid-size SUVs, boasting a blend of luxury and performance that sets it apart from other siblings. With a starting price of $37,845, the CX-90 offers an upscale interior featuring high-quality materials and a user-friendly 12.3-inch infotainment screen, which stands out with its intuitive control knob. The cabin is designed for comfort, accommodating up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom and seating configurations that prioritize spaciousness. Under the hood, the CX-90 Hybrid features a robust inline-six engine, delivering 280 horsepower, and an impressive 340 horsepower in the Turbo S variant, making it a joy to drive. Its performance is enhanced by a rear-biased all-wheel drive system and Mazda's kinematic posture control, ensuring a stable ride. With a top speed that rivals its competitors, the CX-90 excels in both city and highway fuel efficiency, achieving an estimated 25 mpg combined, with electric-only capabilities for shorter trips. For electric charging, the CX-90 Hybrid supports a 2 kWh battery pack, allowing for a total electric range of about 30 miles, making it suitable for urban commutes. Safety comes with full-throttle tri-zone automatic climate control, a powered tailgate, and advanced driver assistance technologies, enhancing the driver experience. Color customizations include the eye-catching artisan red, alongside several other elegant options. Toyota expands its SUV family with the new Crown Signia for 2025. This mid-size two-row crossover replaces the Venza and sits between the RAV4 and Highlander in size. However, it comes with a higher starting price than both, at a starting price of $44,000. And that's not a criticism because overall, the Crown Signia feels like a Lexus, but without the Lexus price tag. Under the hood, there's a hybrid 243 horsepower engine, achieving a fuel economy of over 30 miles per gallon with standard all-wheel drive. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 7 seconds, keeping pace with other mid-size hybrid SUVs in its class. Inside, the Crown Signia is more luxurious compared to other Toyota models, featuring higher quality materials and an effortlessly pleasant design. It also provides more space and even better towing capability than the Venza. The base XLE model comes with cloth and vinyl upholstery as standard, while the limited trim comes with leather seats. A panoramic sunroof is optional, and interior color choices include different hues of tan or black. On the tech front, the Crown Signia includes a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster across the board. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and offers connectivity features like Wi-Fi, over-the-air updates, and a voice assistant. The XLE trim has a 6-speaker stereo, while the limited trim upgrades to an 11-speaker JBL audio system. Honda has revamped the 2025 Pilot with a premium Black Edition trim, priced at $41,000. The entry-level LX trim is gone, making the Sport the new base model and raising the starting price by $2,810. The Black Edition stands out with 20-inch wheels, blacked-out badging, and accents on the grille, mirrors, and door trim. Inside, it features Black Edition embossing, red contrast stitching, and accent lighting. All Pilot models have a 285 horsepower, 3.5-litre V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive as an option. The Pilot hits 60 miles an hour in 7 seconds, delivering refined throttle response. The off-road focused TrailSport trim adds a 1-inch lift, skid plates, all-terrain tires, hill descent control, and a trail-specific all-wheel drive mode. Fuel economy is 19 miles per gallon in a city and 27 miles per gallon on a highway, similar to the Kia Telluride. The base sport trim includes a 7-inch touchscreen and digital gauge cluster with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims upgrade to a 9-inch display with wireless connectivity, while the Elite and Black Edition trims add a 12.2-inch digital gauge cluster. The 2025 Ford Explorer cements its spot as a top-tier midsize SUV, blending rugged performance with modern luxury. Starting around $37,000, it offers sleek, aerodynamic styling, complemented by bold LED lighting and a commanding grille. Inside, the Explorer delivers premium comfort with leather upholstery, a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a 12.3-inch digital display. Powering this beast is a 2.3-litre EcoBoost engine, producing 300 horsepower, with an optional 3-litre V6 generating a thrilling 400 horsepower. Its top speed is an impressive 143 miles per hour, paired with agile handling and robust towing capacity. This SUV is undeniably sophisticated. The 2025 Kia Sorento shines as a versatile midsize SUV, offering strong performance and modern comforts. Its 2.5-litre turbocharged engine delivers up to 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. It reaches a top speed of approximately 131 miles per hour and provides a smooth ride with all-wheel drive options and various drive modes. The exterior combines sleek LED lighting, optional panoramic sunroof, and 20-inch alloy wheels for a contemporary yet rugged appeal. Inside, premium leatherette or perforated leather seating, a 12.3-inch digital display, and retractable rear sunshades enhance comfort and usability. Safety remains paramount with advanced systems like blind spot monitoring, collision warning, and optional surround view cameras. Pricing starts at $32,000, scaling up with higher trims. Hyundai's new Santa Fe Hybrid sports a striking redesign, with a bold, boxy look that departs from the softer lines of its previous generation. Under the hood, the Santa Fe Hybrid features a turbocharged 1.6-litre 4-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, delivering a total of 232 horsepower. This is a slight increase from the previous model's 226 horsepower. The older model could accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 7.5 seconds, and we expect the new one to do slightly the same. All Santa Fe hybrids come with a 6-speed automatic transmission with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive available as an option. The EPA estimates fuel economy at 36 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway for front-wheel drive models, and 35 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway for the all-wheel drive models. Once you step inside the cabin, you might feel a little like you're in a Land Rover, thanks to a sophisticated design integrated with modern technology. The 3 rows of seating are really comfortable and offer ample space, and for more luxe and comfort, you can opt for second-row captain chairs with a cool power reclining feature. The dashboard includes a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster alongside a touchscreen infotainment system. All models come standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A separate 6.6-inch touchscreen is dedicated to climate control. A nice touch is the dual wireless charging pads and the multiple USB-C ports. Hyundai knows we live in the era of USB-C, and the kids need to be entertained for a peaceful family road trip. Additionally, Hyundai has incorporated an available UVC sterilization tray for sanitizing phones, wallets, and other small items. The 2025 Volkswagen Atlas stands out as a midsize SUV that merges style, space, and performance. Its bold exterior, available in fresh colors like Mountain Lake Blue and Avocado Green, complements its city-friendly yet adventure-ready profile. Inside, the Atlas delivers a luxurious experience with heated and ventilated front seats, a leatherette steering wheel, and flexible 60/40 split-fold second and third rows to maximize cargo space. Tech highlights include wireless device charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, and adaptive cruise control. Under the hood, a turbocharged 2-liter engine churns out 269 horsepower, powering the Atlas from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 7.5 seconds. Opt for the SE with technology trim at $43,750 to enjoy 4-motion all-wheel drive and a 5,000-pound towing capacity, perfect for weekend escapes. It's spacious sophistication for the modern family. Once upon a time, the Chevrolet Blazer was a rugged V8 beast made for tearing through the dirt. Those days are over, and the 2025 Blazer has transformed into a sleek midsize SUV with sporty Camaro-inspired looks and plenty of road pep. Pop the hood and you'll find 2 engine choices, a 228 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder and a muscular 308 horsepower 3.6-liter V6. Both come with a 9-speed automatic transmission and the option of front or all-wheel drive. The Turbo 4 version is great for daily driving, but if you crave more power, the V6 will get you from 0 to 60 in about 6.6 seconds and can tow up to 4,500 pounds. Inside, the Blazer takes cues from the Camaro, featuring an intuitive climate control system with round air vents you can twist to adjust the temperature. The interior is decked out with soft-touch plastics and a chic two-tone color scheme. There's ample cargo space too, with 31 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 64 cubic feet with them folded flat, enough to stow 26 carry-on suitcases. Plus, there are plenty of smart storage spots, like ledges on the front door panels that are perfect for smartphones. Tech-wise, every Blazer comes equipped with a 10.2-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with wireless charging for your gadgets. USB ports are found at the front and back of the center console, and certain trims include a 120-volt outlet for even more convenience. The 2025 Genesis GV90 redefines luxury in the electric SUV market with advanced tech, performance, and sleek design. Its bold grille, diamond-cut tires, LED lighting, and refined bodylines radiate elegance while optimizing aerodynamics. Inside, it's a sanctuary of Napa leather, wood accents, ventilated and heated front seats with massage modes, and an 18-way adjustable driver's seat. Spacious seating, a power sunshade, and active noise cancellation complete the comfort. Standout features like an onboard fragrance diffuser and antimicrobial air sanitation set the GV90 apart from rivals like the Audi Q8 e-tron. A crisp 12.3-inch touchscreen and digital gauge cluster house Genesis's latest tech, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto included. Audiophiles will love the Bang & Olufsen audio system, upgradable to 23 speakers in the E-Supercharged model. Powered by dual electric motors delivering 375 horsepower, the GV90 hits 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, with an estimated 300-mile range and fast charging capability. It's as practical as it is luxurious. Expected in early 2025 with a starting price around $90,000, the GV90 makes every penny feel like a splurge worth taking. The 2025 Honda Passport stands out as a top choice for its road reliability and exceptional driving performance. Equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 280 horsepower, it effortlessly combines power and smooth handling. Its top speed reaches approximately 120 miles per hour, making it both reliable and thrilling on the highway. The EXL trim is the best model, offering the perfect balance of features, performance, and affordability. Priced from $44,000, it includes a luxurious interior with leather upholstery, a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, and an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The spacious, refined cabin also features dual-zone automatic climate control and a panoramic sunroof, elevating the driving experience with comfort and style. This blend of rugged capability and upscale luxury makes the Passport a standout in its class. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade's number 2 ranking is based on its score within the midsize SUV category. Currently, the Hyundai Palisade has a score of 9.4 out of 10 based on customer reports. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade continues to offer standout features as a 3-row midsize SUV with enhanced safety features, competitive pricing, and luxurious options. Powered by a 3.8-litre V6 engine generating 291 horsepower, it pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and comes with standard front-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive for $2,000 more. The EPA-rated fuel economy is 19 mpg in the city or 26 on the highway with the front-wheel drive, and 19 mpg in the city or 28.4 on the highway for all-wheel drive. Key updates include the SEL Premium trim featuring synthetic leather, heated front seats, a hands-free power liftgate, and second-row captain seats. The rugged XRT trim now includes a 360-degree camera system and front parking sensors. At the top, the Calligraphy Night Edition combines premium features like a surround view camera and all-wheel drive standard. Pricing starts at $38,215 for the SE and reaches $55,515 for the Calligraphy Night Edition. With 86.4 cubic feet of cargo space and seating for up to 8, the Palisade remains a versatile choice for families seeking style, comfort, and technology. Saving the best for last is the 2025 Kia Telluride. The 2025 Kia Telluride solidifies its place as a leading 3-row SUV with its luxurious design, spacious interior, and tech-forward features. Powered by a 3.8-litre V6 engine, it produces 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, with optional all-wheel drive for added versatility. The Telluride offers 5 trims. The LX starts with keyless entry, synthetic leather upholstery, and dual-zone climate control, while the S adds heated front seats and a sunroof. Moving up, the EX features leather seats, ventilated front seats, and a hands-free liftgate. The SX includes a premium Harman Kardon audio system and dual sunroofs, while the SX Prestige boasts premium leather, a heads-up display, and heated second-row seats. The X-Line trim adds rugged off-road enhancements like all-wheel drive and raised roof rails. Safety highlights include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and an available 360-degree camera system, ensuring a secure and modern driving experience.